So the DMS program is a full-time 2-year associate's degree program, and we have 6 semesters spanning across those 2 years. It's a fast-paced 2 years. As you can tell, the time flies by really fast when you're having fun.
This semester is the first clinical rotations, and actually starting clinicals made me realize that I'm 100% confident in the career that I've chosen. Just seeing all the pathology out there is just, I'm so interested. I know I just can't wait to graduate and start doing it on my own.
Sonography is a wonderful career choice. I teach a plethora of the courses. I teach small parts, I teach abdomen, I teach OBGYN.
They do help you with job placements. If after you graduate you don't find a job, they'll help you find a job. They help you fix your resume. When you have teachers that motivate you and push you every day, you just know at the end it will be very rewarding.
My favorite thing about being an instructor at chcp is definitely the students. I think I've become a better instructor over the years. They've taught me a lot.
They're always there to make sure that, like, you know, you're first. Even after class, if you have a question about lecture, they'll take time to go over anything with you that you don't understand. They're just very much there for you.
I have to stay on top of my game, so I'm always doing continued education. I have to make sure that I am knowledgeable just to make sure that I can impart that knowledge to them. chcp is very student-centric, and we are always on top of the newest technology. And it's rewarding in terms of you're giving someone a career. You see them start off, they don't know what sonography is sometimes, and they blossom into a real professional, and you're a part of that journey.
You gain more confidence, so when you go out there for clinicals and you scan a patient, you're like, oh, like, I know what this is. Like, I know that's the aorta for sure. It's very rewarding. You know, you create a bond with the other classmates and your teachers. You do have to sacrifice a lot, but it's very worth it at the end.
The first step is always just coming in. If you walk into a chcp, I guarantee you that they're going to take you on a tour, and you're going to get a feel of what DMS is from those admin advisors. But my advice to anyone who is going to start the program is definitely start.
I would do it again.